Hey everyone, it's Mark with Nightingale University, and today we're going to be highlighting our CXO Heavy Duty. Everything about this chair, folks, is heavy duty. It's not only a heavy duty gas lift, which we do have, and it's not only just a heavy duty mechanism, which this chair does have, but it's heavy duty from top to bottom. Our base is heavy duty, our casters are heavy duty, we have a steel plate running through the seat, we have steel plate underneath our arm pads to reinforce those, and in fact our arm is attached to the frame and not the chair seat pan, which creates a tremendous benefit to this chair, which we'll see in just a moment. The chair comes standard with our Enersorb seat cushioning. That is so key because it disperses the user's weight vertically and horizontally, okay, for just extreme comfort. We also have our Ablex mesh. This is a breathable mesh, and it has dynamic movement, which means it moves every which way with your body as you rotate side to side through your workday to reach for things. We also have Enersorb in our headrest, and our headrest is on a ratchet system which simply lifts up to whatever position you require. If you want it back to its original spot, you lift it to its very top, and it's going to just drop down for you to its original spot. Also our coat hanger, or it could be a strap for your backpack, whatever have you. It's also a great way to take the chair and move it around. Okay. We also have our lumbar pillow support, and this also, folks, is Enersorb. Okay, so you're on a ratchet system, up and down for whatever height you require to support your thoracic lumbar region, and to move it in and out, you simply move the top, push the top button, and it goes in and out for strength and support. When you want it back to its lowest spot, you simply again lift to its top position, and it will just drop back down in place for you. Okay, now I'm going to get in the chair and show you some of the movements. As I mentioned, and this is very key to this chair, steel plate in our elongated arm pad, reinforced poly top, but still very comfortable. You can see there's movement to that for comfort. Somebody who's of heavy weight, and again this chair supports users up to 450 pounds. Somebody of a heavy weight will need some help as they get in and out of their chair. And so what they're doing is they're leaning on the very front of the arm pad and helping to lower their weight into the chair. And when they go to leave, they're going to do the same thing. They're going to push up. Okay? Now I'm not 450 pounds, but you can see holding on to the very edge, there's no hint of any stress, let alone any kind of breakage on this arm. Reinforced arms, okay? They have a width adjustment, which again, a very simple manual movement to those. And you also have height. There's a trigger in the front. You simply pull that in, and your arms are going to come up for you. Okay. In the front, we have a seat slider. You're going to be able to have 2 inches of extra seat length if you have a longer leg to support, and that also is assisted by a waterfall front. Now there's a bar here you just simply lift, and that seat comes out very easily for you. Okay. On your right hand side, you're going to find a paddle here. You simply lift it, and that's going to give you your height. Okay. So I'm going to put it to where I like it, and then show you on the left side our tilt paddle. This CXO Heavy Duty allows you to have it locked up in an upright position. However, if you want to recline, you put it into a free float by pushing your paddle down, and at any position here that I choose, folks, I can lock that by simply lifting my paddle up. Okay, so I'm locked at that position. Now I want to unlock it. This chair has posi back release, so I'm going to push my paddle down, just put a bit of weight on my back, you hear a click, it releases it, we're up and out of our chair. For added tension on your recline, there is a small throttle on the right hand front side, and you turn it right to tighten the tension, you turn it left to loosen your tension for your recline. And this, folks, is our CXO Heavy Duty. If you'd like to know more, please visit us at nightingalechairs.com.